A very beautiful trade here on the British Pound USD 5-minute charts. Watch the video until the end because we had a very profitable and interesting day. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you what happened on the Forex market and on Forex Trendy. In particular the 5-minute time frame. I am a day trader, so I usually trade on the smaller time frame. But if you trade on the higher ones, let me know, leave a comment below, so I will make a video to show you which opportunities you can get using this online tool. Before starting, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell, leave a like, and if you are not subscribed, leave a comment below. I subscribed. I will reply as soon as possible. The first trade of the night here, Europe time, is British Pound USD. We got a very nice trade. Rising wedge sell signal break at 35.41. So after the breakout, the price retested during the Asian session, retested the previous highs, and then started to go down, reaching the 34.25. So a nice trade around 110 pips, more or less the spread. So as you can see, usually as a day trader, I have a 20 pips target, but it depends on the situation. If I see that the trade looks promising, I just put the trailing stop in order to catch more profits. Let's jump to the USD and the Canadian dollar. We have a flag buy signal break at 26.90. So the first breakout was a failure, and the price retesting the previous low around 26.70, and then started to go up at 27.54. So a nice trade, more or less 60 pips less the spread. Let's jump to the Australian dollar and the Japan yen. The first breakout was a failure. The price retested the previous high. Bear in mind that retest will occur often, and then started to go down here, Europe time, reaching the 80.22. So the breakout at 80.70, a nice 50 pips trade. Let's jump to the USD, and as we see, we got a loser, even though the price action was looking promising, because it looks like a downward movement here, nice bearish leg. Honestly, I don't see it all, but the price then started, after the breakout, started to go up, reaching the 93.32. So a loser for us. Bear in mind that we'll take losers, because this is not there are not perfect tools, perfect scanner. Okay, you will lose also. So it's very important for you to have a strategy. Let's jump to the Swiss and the Japan yen. We have a triangle sell signal break at 19.89. Another loser for me, even though it reached 1977, but there was not enough room to make profits. Let's jump to the Euro USD. We have a flag sell signal break at 16.81. So at the breakout, we got a little compression zone. As you see, we got dojis on the way, just forming on the trend line. When you got a compression zone, expect the price explode either way. And in this case, went down, reaching the 16.10. So a nice 70 pips trade. We got a very interesting day on the USD side. Many profits for day traders out there. New Zealand dollar and the USD, we have flag sell signal break at 69.49. The first breakout was valid. The price retested the previous low, then went back up, retesting the trend line, and then started to go down at 68.71. A nice trade around 70 pips, more or less. Okay, less the spread. It depends on your broker which spreads you have. USD CAD triangle buy signal break at 26.95. The first breakout was a teaser When you see a spike breaking through, just wait for confirmation. Let's see what the next candle, where the next candle will open. Okay, if it opens higher, then it is a promising one. If it's open lower, just wait for a better entry. As you can see, we got a double bottom inside the pattern because the price retested the 2670 level. That started to go up, reaching the 2755. 60 pips more or less. Canadian dollar and the Swiss C, we have flag sell signal 73.19. It looks like a very bad trade, bad signal. Just looking at the price action, the size of candles is not good. You don't have enough space to place a good stop loss. Okay, but if you go here on settings and go here on reliability, if you click on highest, you will get the best signals. I am on medium because I have a good understanding of price actions and trading news. Let's jump to the Swiss and the Japan yen. We have a sell signal breaking 1989. It looks promising. From the price action, we got this first bearish impulse, then the retracement, the second leg here, and then price retesting this previous high. So we'll see where it will go. The trade is still in progress. We are in the ending hours of the American session, but this trade will complete during the Asian market. So we'll see tonight what will happen. Okay. So for today is everything. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. If you are using Forex Trendy, if you are new to this Forex Trend scanner, if you want to know more, or if you just don't trust these kind of signals, let me know. I will reply as soon as possible. Leave a like, subscribe. Good trading, everybody. Bye bye.